Hi there, students. An obituary. An obituary. Okay, this is usually something that's published in a newspaper that gives news of somebody's death, and it normally gives details about their life as well. Yes, people very often read the obituary column in the Times, the death notices, to discover who's died. It's a common practice to print a death notice in a newspaper, and it typically includes a brief biography of the person who has died. Normally the obituary only covers the good things that they did. But that's because I think as a race we're very frightened about talking ill of the dead. Yeah. So an obituary is a short biographical account describing what a person did during their life. Yeah, it talks about their life and maybe about their character as well, and how they used to act. It can appear in a newspaper. It could also actually appear on television. I guess you could have a video obituary as well. I've not looked, but I bet you there are video obituaries in YouTube. Yeah, it's like a eulogy. A eulogy can be in both life and death, but an obituary is after somebody has died. Okay, so it's a published announcement. Often these are paid for, but maybe if you're famous, a reporter will write an obituary about you. Yeah, some sort of necrology. Yeah, a list of the dead. So my deepest condolences about your grandfather's death. I read his obituary in the Times, and that's why I'm actually phoning you. So formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, because it is what it is. It describes something very specific. And then as to origin, it comes from orbitus in Latin, meaning the going to a place, or the setting of something, like the setting of the sun, or death. And that comes from towards, and ire, to go. So the obituary going towards, well, the afterlife, very clearly. Sometimes this word obituary is just shortened to obit, but that's I think rather posh colloquial English. Okay, so an obituary, somebody's death notice, yeah, published normally in a newspaper, and it'll normally say a bit about the person's life as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Obituary.